To give you some few tips about how to appear for the exams which are starting shortly. So here we go. The first tip is sleep well during the night before your exams. It is very important that you sleep very well, have at least 8 hours sleep so that you are fully fresh for appearing for your exams. Next, stop studying at least 1 hour before your exams. I have seen students who are studying right till very last moment, even when the warning bell is already around. They are still busy studying outside, so it is no point in studying till the last moment. Stop studying at least 1 hour before exam and go with fun and leisure to your classroom and observe other people, having panic and studying till the last moment. Don't study anything new on the previous night. So avoid taking up any extra questions which you have not done during the year. Very important. Don't believe on the importance and don't ask for the same. Because anybody saying that these questions is going to come tomorrow is absolutely fake. So keep a faith on whatever you have done during the year and don't believe on the importance. Revise all the sums that you have solved during the year. So as I said earlier, in spite of doing some new questions which your friend is telling you, revise all that you have done. Don't panic by seeing your friend studying a particular question which you don't know. In your experience, you would have seen that exam ke 10 minute baki hai and your friend comes and tells you ye question kiya kya, ye question kiya kya, and then you see that no, oh my god, you have not solved this question. So don't panic and don't listen to your friend. Do what you have planned for yourself. Yes, here it goes. Don't curse yourself for not studying enough during the year. It's a human tendency that when you are studying, you will curse. Oh my god, I did not study enough, and next semester I will do well, etc, etc, etc. So don't entertain those negative conversations. Whatever time you have at your disposal, do maximum use of that and keep studying. Yeah, so here are the tips during your exams. When you are appearing in the exam hall, read the entire question paper properly. So keep the first 10 minutes to read the entire question properly. Decide on which optional question you will solve. You must have experienced that आप एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का स्टार्ट करते हो and midway you think that no, my god, I selected a wrong question, and then you go to the appearing the next question. So don't do that. Before attempting the question, be clear that you know the entire question, you know the entire answer and all the adjustments. So decide the optional questions very wisely. Write all objectives and write them in the order. So if you have 10 objectives and you are supposed to answer 8, write all the 10 objectives. Don't skip and write whatever answers you know. Even if you are not sure, write the answer. And in the objectives, don't do cancellations. Right? You may write true and then cancel and then write false and then again cancel and write true. So the examiner knows that how these cancellations have happened. So don't do cancellations at all. Write new question on the next page. All the sub questions has to be together. So if you have solved question number 3A, at that point of time you are not sure about question 3B, so leave sufficient space for that and then go for the question number 4. Don't write anything on the question paper. You are only allowed to tick in the question paper. You cannot write anything on the question paper. So be aware. Keep a constant eye on the time available. Like for example, if you have allotted 30 minutes for one 15 marks question, then once 30 minutes are over, you should leave that question even if it is incomplete and go on to the next one. And if at the end, if the time permits, you can come back to this question and solve it. If you give a fresh 10 minutes to a new question, you are surely going to get more marks, which you may spoil in solving a question which you have been attempting to complete. Write theory answers in the pointer form rather than having lengthy paragraphs. Do underlines so that the examiner is aware about what you want to say in the answer. Keep an extra calculator. At times it may happen that the calculator which you have taken doesn't work. So keep an extra calculator. Keep a soft copy of the hall ticket and share with your family members so that there is no last minute panic. Here is a big one. Don't discuss your answers after exam. We have seen students coming to us कि सर ये क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर क्या है, प्लीज बता दीजिए. माई फ्रेंड इज टेलिंग मी दिस एंड आई हैव रिटन दिस. सो प्लीज डोंट डिस्कस योर आंसर्स विद एनीबॉडी, स्पेशली द ऑब्जेक्टिव आंसर्स. Straight after the exam, go home and start preparing for the next exam. Even if your particular answer has gone wrong, don't worry. You have to start preparing for the next exam. And yes, after all exams are over, we will be looking at all the answers that you have solved. All the best. You can do it and you will do it. All the best from every faculty member of Sapan Parikh Commerce Classes. All the best.